Hello everyone, this is me, Rocktelsa Vlogs, right here from Zurich, Switzerland. Today I'm going to my work, but for the moment, standby here in the mall. Look here, this is the decoration for the spring season right here from the Glatt Central. So just take a little bit relax. Then in a few minutes I'm going to my work. So see you later guys, and I hope you will watch my video till the end so that you can see my daily travel vlog, what I am doing every day. So i-tour mo na kayo, I will tour you here. This is the mall. So this is the decoration here. Look. So this is the Glatt Centrum right here from Zurich, Switzerland. So ito naka full jacket because it's winter. It's like a winter in the spring season, April. It is still snowing right now. So ito guys, naka full jacket siya. Full jacket, naka full jacket siya. Because it is still very cold right now here in Switzerland. So nagbalik ulit si Haring Winter. So guys, this is the weather. This is the April spring season weather. It is like a winter season, although it's already spring season, but it's still snowing right now here in Zurich, especially in the highlands. So let's start our trip from the village, from the highlands to the city of Zurich, where I am going to attend my work. So dito na, maglalakbay na tayo guys, papunta doon sa syudad. Let's start our journey from the village going down to the city. The weather for today is snowy, and look at the road, it's very icy and everywhere is snowing. It is still cold at the moment, so I have to travel early morning because it takes more than an hour from the village to the city center. Since it is snowing, so we have to drive safely. So this is the life of a Filipina living in Switzerland. Ito ang buhay ng isang Pilipina na nakatira sa tuktok ng bundok ng Switzerland. Pababa ngayon siya para pupunta sa syudad para magtrabaho. Akala niyo ba guys na ang mga tao sa Switzerland, lahat ba ay nakatira sa syudad? Hindi, dahil ang mga bahay na paupahan sa syudad ay talagang napakamahal. The rent in the city, and if you want to stay in the city proper, the rent is very, very high cost. Mahal siya, very expensive. So starting from 2,500 to 5,000, meron ding 6,000. So dito na lang ako magtiyaga sa bukid dito sa village para makatipid kasi nasa 1,000 hanggang 1,500 lang ang mga bahay dito. Syempre medyo malayo, pero pagtiyagaan na lang guys, kaysa naman yung sahod mo doon lang mapupunta sa yung renta ng bahay. Kaya be wise na lang, mag-practical na lang tayo. So kung may pera man tayo, doon na lang natin ipapagawa ng magandang bahay sa Pilipinas. Kasi kung ang sahod mo dito ay 2,000 lang, 3,000, tapos pangbayad lang sa renta ng bahay, wala ka nang kakainin guys. So kailangan mag-practical kasi dito talagang mahal ang bilihin mula sa upa ng bahay, pagkain, may mga mahal, meron din kaya sa bulsa, kaya maging wise na lang tayo. So, ito ang aking dinadaanan sa araw-araw papunta doon sa syudad. So, sinishare ko lang sa inyo para makita niyo naman kung paano ako bumababa papunta doon sa syudad. Lumalangoy ba o sumasakay? So, yan. So, I'm just sharing with you my daily travel routine right here from Switzerland. So, we will pass by along the road of the high mountains going to the city. So, yan. So, yung sa harap naman dyan, so in front of this is the forest. So, the forest become white forest now because it's snowing. So, yan. So, that's the Zurich Highlands. They call it Zurich Highlands. So, in this area, it is always cold, especially during the winter and during the spring season. But in the city center, wala nang ice doon. Dito na lang sa bukid ang meron. In the city center, no more snow in there. Only sometimes a little bit, but it's only rainfall. But here in the highlands, of course, it's always cold. And even in the spring season, it's not snowing, guys. So I just want to show you where I am living and how I struggle to go down to the city to attend for my work. So it needs time and effort to reach to the city. So that's life here. That is one of the information that I can share with you. Life here is not easy. If you wish to live in Switzerland, you must work hard. Sometimes the people here do part-time jobs. Sometimes they have a tripod job so that they can earn an extra money. For example, if your salary, your one job or your first job, your salary is only 1,500, so it's not enough to pay for your rent, so you have to find another option to look for another second job. Then you can pay your taxes, your insurances, and if it's not enough, again you have to try your best again to look for another job so that you can pay all your bills here, because nobody will help you except you yourself alone. So ganyan po, guys. So kung meron po kayong mga trabaho sa Pinas o sa ibang bansa, maging ano na lang, maging contented, be contented of what you have and what your job is and how much your salary. Don't compare yourself to other people because you don't know what is the real situation. So huwag na kayong mangarap na pumunta dito kasi mahal talaga dito, at saka yung profession natin ay hindi po pwede dito. Hindi po basta-basta makapasok ng trabaho dito, guys, kasi especially the standard of education here, malayo ang agwat sa atin, at kailangan dito ang language. So you must learn the German language. In Switzerland, they have 4 major languages: the German, French, Italian, and Romance, and English, of course. So you must know one of these languages, especially if you are working in the hotel, in the shop, or in the offices. Okay, guys, so this is all I can share with you about my job. So let's take a look here. There is a diving board here in this forest. This is a skiing area in the upper part. So in the lower part of this mountain is a highway. You can see the cars passing by. I was just standby here in the car while I am taking this video in this white forest. So this is the current view here in the Zurich Highlands. Pinasosyal siya, Zurich Highlands. So bundok pala sa Switzerland. So terima kasih, Everesto Puli, buhut-buhut syukriya bay. Syukran jasilan, dankeschön, vielen Dank, merci beaucoup, dakhan kayong salamat, maraming salamat, point gracias, amigas, for watching this video. This is me, Reptelsa. Thank you for watching and supporting my channel. If you like this video, just share, like, comment, and if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell so that you'll be updated with all my new videos. I try my best to upload more videos soon. Okay, take care and God bless everyone. I love you guys and bye bye. Ciao. See you soon. Okay guys, thank you for watching this Swiss daily travel vlog of Reptelsa. So see you in my next premiere. Thanks everyone for supporting my channel, and I'll visit you soon. Take care and have a nice day. Bye bye. Ciao. This is me, Reptelsa, right here from Zurich, Switzerland. If you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, share, and if you're new to my channel, just subscribe and click the notification bell so that you'll be updated with all my new videos. And if you want to see my other videos, just click my playlist and you can find my different videos in my playlist. Bye bye. Dankeschön, vielen Dank, buhut-buhut syukriya. Everesto Puli, daghang salamat, maraming salamat. Syukran jasilan, bye bye po.